Let us solve for a in this equation. A raised to power 360 plus a raised to power 240 plus a raised to power 120 is equal to 39. The given equation is a raised to power 360 plus a raised to power 240 plus a raised to power 120 is equal to 39. This a raised to power 360 can be written as a raised to power 3 multiplied by 120 plus a raised to power 240 can be written as a raised to power 2 multiplied by 120 plus this a raised to power 120 is equal to 39. If you have a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power mn, then this can be written as a raised to power 120 to the power of 3 plus this can be written as a raised to power 120 to the power of 2 plus this can be written as a raised to power 120 to the power of 1 is equal to 39. Now let a raised to power 120 is equal to t. Then this is t raised to power 3 plus this can be written as t square plus this can be written as t is equal to 39. Now let's see if t equal to 1. So we have 1 raised to power 3 plus 1 square plus 1. This is not equal to 39. If t is equal to 2, 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 square plus 2. 2 raised to power 3 is 8 plus 2 square, that is 4 plus 2. This is not equal to 39. Now if t is equal to 3, then this is 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 square plus 3 is equal to 39. 3 raised to power 3, this is 27 plus 9, that is 36 plus 3. This is equal to 39. Now this is, the equation is t raised to power 3 plus t square plus t is equal to 39. So we have t raised to power 3 plus t square plus t minus 39 is equal to 0. So let's replace this 39 by the whole of this. Now we have t raised to power 3 plus t square plus t minus 39 now is t raised to power 3 plus 3 square plus 3 is equal to 0. This is t raised to power 3 plus t square plus t. Let's open the bracket with this negative. We have minus 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 square minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is t raised to power 3 here and 3 raised to power 3 here. We have t raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 bracket, then plus this is t square and this is minus 3 square. We have t square minus 3 square bracket, and here we have plus this is t and this is minus 3. T minus 3 is equal to 0. Now note, if you have x raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3, this is equal to s minus y bracket s square plus sy plus y square. Then if you have s square minus y square, this is equal to s plus y bracket s minus y. Then this can be written as t minus 3 bracket t square plus 3t plus 3 square plus this can be written as t minus 3 bracket t plus 3 plus this we have t minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here you can see that we have t minus 3 here, t minus 3 here, and t minus 3 here. Let's factor it out. T minus 3 bracket, if you divide the whole of this by this t minus 3, we have t square plus 3t plus 3 square, then plus if you divide the whole of this by t minus 3, we have t plus 3, then plus if you divide the whole of this by t minus 3, we have 1 is equal to 0. This is t minus 3 bracket t square 3t plus t, that is plus 4t plus 3 square, that is 9 plus 3, that is 12 plus 1, 13 is equal to 0. Then here there are two cases here. The first case is t minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, t is equal to 3. And the second case is t square plus 4t plus 30 is equal to 0. But initially we said t is a member of real number. Now for t to be a member of real number here, discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac must be greater than 0. This is a quadratic equation which can only be solved using quadratic general formula. Then we have from the equation a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 13. Then we have discriminant, this is equal to 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 13. Discriminant d is equal to 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 13, that is 52. Then d is equal to 16 minus 52, that is minus 36. And of course, this is less than 0, so it is rejected. Now, the only real solution we have is this, which is t is equal to 3. This is the real solution we have. Recall that a raised to power 120 is equal to t. Let us multiply the exponent of both sides of this equation by 1 over 120. A raised to power 120 to the power of 1 over 120 is equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 120. This cancel this. A is equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 120. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation: a raised to power 360 plus a raised to power 240 plus a raised to power 120 is equal to 39. This is 3 raised to power 1 over 120 to the power of 360 plus 3 raised to power 1 over 120 to the power of 240 plus 3 raised to power 1 over 120 to the power of 120 must be equal to 39. This 120 here 1, 120 here 3, 120 here 1, 120 here 2, 120 here 1, 120 here 1. This is 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 square plus 3 must be equal to 39. 3 raised to power 3, this is 27 plus 3 square, 9 plus 3 must be equal to 39. 27 plus 9 plus 3, this is 39, is equal to 39, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.